All right, so for this question, we're given this quadratic equation here, x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. And our question that we need to answer is, if x satisfies the given equation, which of the following could be a value of x plus 3? And then we're given our answer choices here. So for a question like this, we've basically got two parts that we need to figure out. First part is this. The x satisfies the given equation, so we need to find what value of x is going to satisfy this equation up top we have here. And then what we're going to do for the second part is we're going to take that value of x and plug it into this x plus 3 to find out which value it's going to be equal to over here. So we'll start by solving this quadratic equation for what values of x it has. So we've got x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now, we can solve this pretty easily by just factoring it out. So this equation will factor into x plus 3 and x minus 1. And if we wanted to check this out, we could FOIL these factors out, and we'd see that we get the same equation as up here that we started with. Now, from these factors, we can find our two values of x that will satisfy the equation, make it equal to 0. So over here, we have x equals negative 3, because when you put negative 3 in here for x, this factor will equal 0, and therefore this whole side will equal 0, satisfying that equation. And then we can do the same thing over here for this factor, and we'll get x equals 1. All right, so now we've got our two values of x, and what we want to do is we want to bring them over and plug them into this second part of the equation, or this second part of this question, excuse me. So if we plug in the one value of x equals 1, to this, we get 1 plus 3, which equals 4. And we see it's not an option over here, so it's not going to be this factor that's going to give us the answer we're looking for. So we'll move on and we'll try the other factor here, x equals negative 3. So if we do negative 3 plus 3, we'll see that equals 0, which is an answer over here. It's answer C. So we're going to select that one, and that'll be our answer for this problem.